Hello aspirants, welcome to India for IAS Current Affairs series. This is Manjunath Mudhol. Topic of this video is Pax Silica. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಅದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಫಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ಸ್. ಫಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ SSC, KPSC Group C exam and also banking exam. So recently there was an article published in the Hindu newspaper regarding the importance of Pax Silica for India. So Pax Silica ಅನ್ನೋದು it is an US led multilateral initiative. It is a USA initiative which involves many other countries. So that we will discuss now. So coming to what is Pax Silica. Pax Silica ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, it is a multilateral initiative launched by the United States of America. So it was launched December 2025. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2025ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು USA ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಲ್ಟಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ it is led by USA, launched and led by USA, and it has many other nations. It has many other countries which we will see the members of the Pax Silica. So its objective ಏನು, ಇದನ್ನು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ, so its objective is to secure semiconductor, artificial intelligence and critical mineral supply chains. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ they are very important for manufacturing electronic devices, and these electronic devices they are crucial in achieving artificial intelligence. And the semiconductor, it is also one of the important in chip design and manufacturing. chip ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, COVID-19 ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆದಾಗ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ರಪ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಿಪ್ದು, ಅದರ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ COVID-19 ಆದಾಗ ಏನು ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಮೇಜರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸೈನ್ and the raw materials required for semiconductor manufacturing, they are concentrated in one nation. So adenanta ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So because of that there is a huge disruption in semiconductor supply chain. So that affected many nations and many industries in those nations. So ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಡಿಸ್ರಪ್ಷನನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ದು ಏನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ USA ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ ಇಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕೋರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾ. ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾದ ಕೋರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೋಯರ್ಸಿವ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸೀಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ China is doing? It is following coercive economic dependency. So to reduce this coercive economic dependency is one of the objective of Pax Silica. And second one is to secure technology and artificial intelligence supply chain. So to secure technology of what? Semiconductor design and manufacturing, artificial intelligence technology, and also technology in electronic industry. So, and third one, to build trusted digital infrastructure. So why to build trusted digital infrastructure? So there is a allegation on Chinese companies like Huawei and also other companies, where they are, whatever the equipment these companies are manufacturing, they have a spying ability. These equipments, electronic devices, they are spying on the nations where they are being used. So because of this, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಪೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸ್ಪೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಚೀನಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ Chinese interference, so Pax Silica has been formed. Then fourth one, to prevent geopolitical weaponization of semiconductors, rare earth elements, and advanced computing and artificial intelligence. So geopolitical weaponization ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so what China is doing, China, it controls majority of the processing of rare earth elements and also critical minerals. Critical mineral processing ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದು majorly it is concentrated in China, and China now it is imposing export restrictions on these elements. Because of that, what is happening, there is a disruption in semiconductor industry. Because of that, there is a issue in supply chain bottlenecks in rare earth elements, which is affecting the advanced computing and artificial intelligence. So these are the four objectives of the Pax Silica. So coming to the global context behind the formation of Pax Silica. So USA ಏನಕ್ಕೆ Pax Silica ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿತು, ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಕ್ ಪವರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡೇಸ್, in this age of internet and the age of artificial intelligence, this technology, it is acting as a strategic power, and the nations, they are racing to become top in artificial intelligence. So the leading nations are USA and China. They are fighting to become the top in artificial intelligence. So because of that, so this technology as a strategic power, so it is mainly concentrated around semiconductors and artificial intelligence. So this semiconductor and artificial intelligence, they are central to the economic competitiveness, military capability and digital sovereignty. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ದೇಶ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಆಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿ. ಸೊ ಆಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ USA, China, South Korea, Japan, all these are knowledge economy. So to become this knowledge economy, so the semiconductor industry and artificial intelligence, they are very important. So then coming to the military capability, so many of the military equipments are electronic devices. The country which holds very good control over the raw material which are being used in manufacture of electronic devices, they will control the world electronic or military they will control the military manufacturing, or they can influence the manufacturing of military devices. To have a good command over military capability, so the nation should have a command over electronic device manufacturing. Then digital sovereignty means whatever digital data, equipment, infrastructure it is there, it should be within the nation, and no other country should influence digital sovereignty of any other nation. For example, India is now, it is in India implementing Digital India mission. So the objective of Digital India mission is to ensure the good governance, to make the ease of doing business, and also to ensure good standard of living for the people. So ಈ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಿಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಸಾವರೆಂಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So the second context is supply chain concentration. So what is happening? China is dominating in rare earth mining and processing, and also critical mineral refining. So this is around 70% of the world's rare earth mining and processing, and also critical mineral refining. Because of this concentration of rare earth and critical minerals in China is now dictating terms to the world. So it is dictating the terms to the world with respect to manufacturing of semiconductors and also electronic devices. So this, now what China is doing, it is using export restrictions as a strategic tool to bend the nations. to its terms and conditions. How it is affecting India? So India, it is facing rare earth magnet shortages. So in India, there is shortage of rare earth magnets, and also during COVID, what happened? Automobile sector and electronic sector, there is a huge disruption. So because of this disruption, there is a decline in, or there is a delay in the production of automobiles. So whatever we have discussed so far, that was come to light during COVID-19. So when the lockdown came into picture, so then at that time the world leaders, they realized that majority of the rare earth element and critical mineral supply, it is concentrated in China. And China, if because of this, what is happening? There is a heavy dependency on China. This is creating, this is creating what? This is creating, this may create supply issues. Now we will look into the key members and observer nations of the Pax Silica. Pax Silica the key members ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ core participants ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ USA, it is the leader of the Pax Silica initiative. So it is advanced, it is uh, its major role is production of advanced chips and also artificial intelligence. Japan, it is precision manufacturing and also semiconductor chip fabrication. So it is leader in precision manufacturing and semiconductor chip manufacturing. And Netherlands, it is advanced lithography. So lithography, it is used in chip mold design. Chip mold ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಥೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then South Korea, it is a major player in memory chip manufacturing. Then Singapore, this is also one of the member. So it is major area, its major specialization is semiconductor fabrication hub. Australia, lithium and rare earth exporter. Australia, it is one of the leading exporter of lithium and rare earth. Israel, it is specialized in artificial intelligence, defense technology and cyber security. UK, major market for artificial intelligence. Qatar and UAE, they have a sovereign wealth fund and finance which is required for all these activities. Coming to the observer nation, Canada, it is an observer nation. European Union, observer nation. OECD, observer group. Taiwan is also observer. So these four are not members. Coming to the importance of Pax Silica for India and India's position in semiconductor sector. Strength, India is strong in chip design, and weakness, it lacks the capability or capacity to manufacture high grade silicon and also manufacture the high grade silicon chips. So here India is not the member of Pax Silica, but Pax Silica, because of its chip design and manufacturing and also its major importance for artificial intelligence and electronic industry, it is important for India. So India, it has been invited to participate in the Pax Silica, but not as a member. So India is not also observer nation, but in future India may become the member of the Pax Silica, like it become the member of Mineral Security Partnership. Based on the topic that we have discussed so far, that is Pax Silica initiative, here we have provided one prelims practice question. The question contains three statements. Go through all the three statements and comment your answer. The answer and detailed explanation for this question is available in the PDF handout, which you can download by joining our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.